Barakatuh. This is Muhammad Yasser, son of Mr. Hanif, a student of Al Jamiatul Islamia Moinul Islam. Today I am going to talk about Islamic religion. So let's get started. Islam is one of the world's major religion and is followed by millions of people around the globe. The word Islam means submission to the will of Allah, and those who followed Islam is called Muslim. Islam teaches that there is only Allah who created universe and everything in it. Muslim believe that Allah is merciful, powerful, and only the author of worship. Muslim believe that Allah sent many prophets to guide humanity, including Adam alayhi salatu wasalam, Noah alayhi salatu wasalam, Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam, Musa alayhi salatu wasalam, Isa alayhi salatu wasalam, and Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alayhi wasallam. He received the Holy Quran through the angel Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salatu wasalam. The Quran is the sacred book of Islam and contains guidance for every part of life. The main practices of Islam are known as the 5 pillars. The first is Shahada, the declaration of faith. The second is Salat, the praying 5 times a day. The third is Zakat, giving charity to the poor. The fourth is Saum, fasting during the month of Ramadan. The fifth is Hajj, the pilgrimage to Mecca that every Muslim should perform once if ever. Islam teaches important moral values such as honesty, kindness, patience, and forgiveness. Muslims are encouraged to respect their parents, help neighbors, and care for those in need. The religion also teaches justice and fairness in all action. These values help create a peaceful and responsible society. In conclusion, Islam is not only a religion but also a complete way of life. It guides Muslims in their beliefs, worship, and daily behavior. Through the teaching of Quran and Prophet Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Islam encourages people to live with faith and good characters. For millions of people, Islam provides meaning, peace, and a spiritual direction. Last of all, I would like to thank our honorable teachers and respected my classmates and friends. To all of you, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.